Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I was preparing to replant my strawberries. I got 3 strawberries that are from seeds, from my own seeds, and the other 3 I bought them, but how you call it, the fruit was a little mushy, and they told me on YouTube you gotta give it more vitamins. That's what I've been doing, and I noticed that they are getting a little better, but they're still small. But then I said I had some compost in a bag that I think I said it yesterday. I mentioned it. I don't know. That was behind the coriander. I had to take this out so I could plant the peppers. This is one of the peppers that is still trying to survive, and this is another pepper that is taking out the old leaves and putting in the new leaves. And I found more peppers. When I put the compost to on the bottom, I found this. Let me see if I could show it to you. Right there. This is a pepper seed. Right there. So I was wondering what it was and going, what the heck is it? So I saw this one had the black thing top. That's the seed, and it's pepper seeds. So I'm gonna replant all of them. I think I don't have much yet already. I already planted most of them from here, and all I do is just make a little hole, put all of it in there, smush it all together, and compost it, push it a little bit, so the roots has the dirt on it. I just have these 2, but they still have the seedlings. Was underground, so I'm gonna finish that. I'm gonna put those in underground, and I'm gonna water this with water and vinegar. As I noticed, there ain't none of those little things no more, so that's cool. But where I'm putting my pepper, there is. So I'm gonna put some water with vinegar there too, just to make sure that they are all dead. They said you don't, with a little bit of vinegar and water, you kill them off right away. And I think it's true 'cause I haven't seen none no more. So, and on here I put some because it's full. Had a lot of them. And I put some there, and I haven't seen none either. And as you can see, I forgot that I had a coriander over here. I don't know why I put it here. Ah, yes, I remember now. Because all the corianders, I put the little skinny ones that I said it wasn't gonna grow. But then I said, let me try it. It has skin, but it's very, very little bit of it. But I decided to put it in and see what happens. The worst that could happen is that they die. So as you can see, I had to take it in yesterday because the heat was unbearable. There was no wind, and this needs to be in a cool place. Not cool, but at least, not heat. I call it too hot. So I already gave it water. I took it out this morning. I think I'm going to have to take it back in because it is hot out here. So let me put this on, and then I'll be right back to show you my strawberries and where I'm going to grow them. Okay. Big problem. If I put this down here, it's going to be all the way over here. And the idea was to stretch its roots around the compost. As you can see, they throw a lot of strawberries, but they're not good. They're right there. This one has none. I thought it was gonna have because it threw beautiful flowers, but as I could see, nothing's going on with that. So what I'm gonna do is, cause these back here are mine, the ones that I did with seeds, but they're not gonna get affected. I'm gonna cut this right here. I don't know if it'll kill the plant, but I gotta do something with this. It's like too much. How you call it? Roots, leaves. I gotta be cutting them down, and there's no fruit. So if it dies, it dies. At least these don't got long roots because they still babies, and I just stay with these, and hope that they propagate. So let me just cut it down, and then I'll be back right back. Well, I had to start all over. I forgot I had the radio on. So, okay, so look, I cut it right there, right there. I put it in there. Oops, I didn't mean to dump it like that. I put it in here. I gotta straighten it out. And this is what I'm telling you about the, you see, it's all smooshy and it's a baby. So I'll be cutting these out, you know, so it could have more strength to redo itself. And I have to put it straight. Then after that, I'll be right back, you know. And let me show you my babies. I thought I had 3, but I only have 2. I don't know what happened to the other one. So I'm gonna raise this up a little bit and see if it's under there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut down all the, how you call it, all the strawberries. Since I cut all that roots. Oh my God, I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so I cut this down. They're not gonna go anywhere, so I decided to just cut it down. The other thing is that how you call it? I had it, the one I was looking for, the strawberry, the baby strawberry I was looking for, is dead. I think that the mother, the big one, sucks more water, and leaves the other ones dry. I tried to find the other one. There was 3 of them, because there was here 3 of them. One was dead, and then there was a baby one coming on the side. I guess it died too. So I'm gonna leave it here. Pretty soon the sun is gonna hit it, and they will get all sun and everything. And I'm gonna water it, you know, with a little bit of vinegar. Water with a little bit of vinegar, just in case there's something under there. I doubt it, but I think I saw one whirling around. So one of those white things. The water with the vinegar, you know, with a little bit of vinegar, it kills it. You know, I haven't found none in where my pepper plant's at, so that's pretty good. So right now I'm just gonna water this, but before I leave I want to show you something. I found 2 more, 1 and 2, but these are big. There's a little one over there, but I noticed like these little ones, they're like flopping down, you know, they're not really reacting like they're happy. I think they're gonna die, except for this one, it's still like kind of up. I think there were 2, you know, they were underground so long that taking them out just started to kill it, as you can see right there, right there, right there. This one looks good. So there's only like 2. This one and this one looks good. This one is all flopped again too, so I doubt that will grow. But I think these 2 will grow because they got sun, and they were right on top of my eggplant. You know, not my eggplant, my tomatoes. You know, my tomato has 2 layers. Let me show you. Okay, you know, it has 2 layers. It has this one, the top one, and it has the bottom one. So on top there was those 2 pepper plant, and I decided to take it out. And there's a little small one. I don't know if you can see it right there. Let me go closer. Right there. I'm gonna leave it there for it to grow big, because I think that if I take it out, it's gonna happen the same thing as the other plants. So, and you want to see the tomato? It's growing. And this one has little dots that tomatoes are growing too. So the only one that doesn't have anything is the baby one right here. Right here. But as these grow, she will probably give more. She'll give tomatoes. Oh, tomatoes. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna let it grow super big. I'm gonna let it go have the side shoots and let it grow, you know, fluffy all over the place, you know, but not tall, because you know, my condition is very hard. So, and most of the time, you know, I don't have the help, so I have to like improvise, call somebody, hey, can you come over here and do this for me, you know. And so I don't want to do that. So it's growing. I hope it grows. I hope it doesn't fall, and I hope I get my first tomato. The first tomato, I'm gonna eat it. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.